Being charged with a DWI can be a life-altering situation and is often a very complicated matter. Unlike most other crimes, a DWI presents two different situations that have to be resolved. The first one is the criminal charges that result from the tickets you were issued, and those are often resolved, or always resolved, in the court where those tickets were issued out of. The second issue to be resolved is your driver's license. What happens to your ability to drive? That gets administered through the Department of Motor Vehicles. Most people think that it's the court that decides when and how long your license will be suspended or revoked for, when in reality, it's the DMV that has established guidelines and requirements that the court is simply just imposing. When you show up to court the first time, depending upon the status of your driver's license, your driving record, and the nature of the crime against you, your license will be suspended, either temporarily or for an extended period of time. When the case is resolved, when your DWI is resolved, depending upon the outcome, you may get a suspension or revocation for a defined period of time. Once you've resolved the case within the court, you now have to appear at the Department of Motor Vehicles and make sure that you've positioned yourself in a way to get your driving privileges restored. And how do you do that? In New York, largely it requires you to pay a penalty to the Department of Motor Vehicles and also to attend the impaired driver program, which is intended to lower recidivism and help people not reoffend. It's imperative that you hire an experienced lawyer who understands both the law and the regulations that govern when and how you get your driver's license back. If you've been charged with DWI, contact Team Green Lawyers. Let us show you what a difference our experience makes.